The 2026 Ford Maverick XL has arrived, presented in a crisp Oxford white finish that perfectly complements its bold design. This pickup is powered by an advanced 2.5-liter hybrid engine, working in harmony with a Power-Split Electric CVT and a front-wheel drive system to deliver a smooth and efficient driving experience. The interior features a sophisticated black onyx dark slate trim, offering a refined atmosphere for every journey. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Picture yourself cruising past the scenic views of Mill Lake Park, where the Maverick's quiet hybrid operation makes every trip more enjoyable. The exterior is as functional as it is stylish, featuring a signature black mesh grille, black door handles, and manual black mirrors. Visibility is enhanced by high-quality LED headlamps, daytime running lights, and the convenience of auto high beams that adjust automatically to your surroundings. For those who use their truck for more than just commuting, the factory spray-in Bedliner provides durable protection, while the integrated bed tie-downs and removable tailgate with a lock ensure your gear is always secure. Step inside and you are greeted by an impressive 13.2-inch LCD touchscreen that serves as the hub for your media and vehicle settings. This is paired with an 8-inch productivity screen, providing clear and essential information right in your line of sight. The cabin is designed with practicality in mind, featuring power windows and locks, a tilt and telescoping steering wheel, and an ActiveX soft console lid for added comfort. You will also find both USB-A and USB-C ports to keep your devices charged, along with multiple power points throughout the interior for your electronic accessories. When it comes to performance and safety, the Maverick XL is well equipped. It features selectable drive modes to adapt to different driving conditions, an electric parking brake, and electronic power assist steering for effortless maneuvering. Safety is comprehensive, including pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, a rear-view camera, and the SecureLock anti-theft system. The latch child restraint system and safety canopy airbags provide peace of mind for you and your passengers. A common question buyers ask is if this truck can handle the demands of a busy lifestyle while keeping things organized. The answer is a definitive yes. Beyond the bed capability, the interior features a second-row bench seat with a flip-up function that reveals hidden under-seat storage. This is the ideal spot for stowing valuables or extra supplies, keeping the main cabin clutter-free. With additional features like floor liners without carpeted mats for easy cleaning and a conventional spare tire for added security, this Maverick is ready for anything. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.